हेलो पिलामाने आज कौन पढ़िया आज गोटे पढ़िया ट्रिगोनोमेट्री क्लास 10 ट्रिगोनोमेट्री क्लास 10 CBSE okay the question solve karibi right some students asked me sir this question is very difficult and is not able to understand and some are telling also sir it is very difficult to remember for a long time so many things the process is very long like that. Okay, so please here this question is similar questions, but how can you prove this? You have to prove this. Okay, this is you have to prove this. How can you prove this? Okay, so trigonometry is the first basic fundamentals. Also last some videos also I told this one about the trigonometry fundamentals, that is sin cos tan cot sec cosec sin theta cos theta tan theta cot theta cosec theta cosec theta. Okay, this is all ratios and trigonometry ratios and their orders. Okay, order also you have to remember, that is sin cos tan cot sec cosec, sin cos tan cot sec cosec. तो sin cos tan cot sec cosec के order टा मन रखिया पड़ियो. तो like that so many also identities also you have to remember. So let us start from this first one. First one I am doing just here. Please try to understand. This is your sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. This is a LHS, right? This is LHS. Dividing the numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator both will be now both will be divided by, that is a cos. You look at how, see, you see this is right side is tan theta, right side रे tan theta अछि और sec theta अछि. तमर टारगेट रहबो कोन राइट साइड रो tan theta और sec theta हमें केमिति पाइबा, तो ताकू टारगेट करिवो, राइट. हमें पाइबा केमिति दिस tan theta रे हमें लेफ्ट साइड रे कोन सेटिंग कले हमको tan theta मिलियो, एटा दिमाग रे पड़िबो. ओके, और cos रे मिलियो. लुक एट हियर, just I am dividing the both numerator and denominator by cos theta, because sin theta by cos theta equal tan theta, you know, sin theta by cos theta equal tan theta. Once again I am repeating this one. Okay, rapidly, please attentively listen what I am telling. This is sin theta 1 by cosec theta, cosec theta 1 by sin theta, cos theta 1 by sec theta, sec theta 1 by cos theta, tan theta 1 by cot theta, cot theta 1 by tan theta, sin theta 1 by cosec theta. Similarly, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. You have to remember. So जते भले मन रखि परियो सते स्पीड कर परियो, राइट. तो एठी हम करछे से दिस इज sin theta by cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. Now that is equal to sin by cos tan theta, cos by cos 1 plus 1 by cos sec theta divided by tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. That is equal to here tan theta plus sec theta, ध्यान देके देखो, minus 1 divided by tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Once again here I am writing here tan theta plus sec theta minus, you know, 1. What is 1? 1 or different formulas are there. 1 sin square plus cos square theta 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta also 1, sin theta into cosec theta also 1, tan theta into cot theta also 1, cos theta into sec theta also 1, sec theta into cos theta also 1. So many terms you have to remember, then you can operate this one. अरे हथियार रखिला बनी, हथियार चले शिखिया दरकार. हथियार जदि रखिच लाभ ना, हथियार रखिले कौन हम, चले शिखिया दरकार. केमती चला जाए, बंदूक अच्छी चले शिखिन तो फायदा नहीं. बट लाइक दैट फॉर्मूला जानिच यूज कर शिखिन तो से फॉर्मूला मतलब नहीं. किंतु फॉर्मूला जानिमो मन रखिबो ताको यूज करे भी शिक्षा दरकार वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट राइट सो सिमिलरली कहली the sin sec square theta look at here sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 अरे बोले तो cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 बोले तो sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 sin square plus cos square 1 sec square minus tan square 1 then cosec square minus cot square 1 theta लगाओ नीचे okay छाड़ दियो तो this is we have to use this one now this is your sec square theta minus tan square theta right because in place of 1 look at here 1 जगह रे मु सेटा लिखली ओके पूरा एंटायर बोर्ड तुमको क्लियर देखा जाउछ ना